Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to identify wild ginseng. First, locate its preferred habitat, mature deciduous forests with deep shade and rich, moist soil. Ginseng is a perennial herb, often found growing on north-facing slopes. Look for a plant that stands about 8 to 18 inches tall, emerging from the forest floor. Its overall structure is key to initial identification, so observe the plant's general shape and size carefully. Now let's focus on the leaves. Wild ginseng typically has 3 to 5 prongs, which are actually compound leaves. Each prong usually consists of 5 leaflets, though sometimes 3 or 7. These leaflets are oval-shaped, tapering to a point, and have finely serrated edges. The central, or terminal, leaflet is generally larger than the others, a helpful distinguishing feature. Observe the arrangement and shape closely. As the season progresses, look for the distinctive berries. In late summer, mature ginseng plants develop a cluster of bright red berries in the center, held above the leaves. Each berry contains 1 or 2 seeds. The main stem is smooth, green, and often has a reddish tint, especially near the base. This combination of red berries and a smooth stem is a strong indicator of wild ginseng. Finally, the root is the most valuable part and offers clear identification. It's typically fleshy, yellowish-brown, and often has a gnarled, human-like shape. Older roots will show horizontal scars, called neck scars, indicating where previous year's stems grew. Always be certain of your identification, as several plants, such as wild sarsaparilla, can look similar. Never harvest if you are unsure.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.